Hi, boys and girls. All right, we're going to get started today with Chapter 10's review. This is the end of our unit, so after you are done with this page, hopefully you finish all of Chapter 8 and all of Chapter 10, and you are done with math. We do have a few fun math activities that we put in there if you want to do them. And you obviously can always continue on Splash Learn or MobyMax, but in regards to the workbook and what actually has to be turned in, this will be the last page. So let's get started. It says, Hera asked her friends to go to choose their favorite yogurt flavor. Use the data to make a tally chart. So we have the data here, and we're going to tally into the chart. So taking a look, we have 3 friends who liked peach. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. We have 5 friends who like berry. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to cross it out, 5. We have 2 friends that like lime. 1, 2. And we have 7 friends who like vanilla. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, make sure you have your tally chart filled in. Number 2, does the sentence describe the data in the tally chart above? Choose yes or no. It says 7 friends chose berry and peach together. So we have to go up here. Berry was 5 and peach was 3. So what is 5 plus 3? 8. So that does not equal 7. So we can put a no there. More friends chose peach than lime. So peach had 3 and lime had 2. So is that more for peach or for lime? Good, for the peach. So that was a true statement. And more friends chose vanilla than any other flavor. Was that a true statement? Yes, that was true. Vanilla had 7, which was the most out of them all. All right, number 3. Hera asked 5 more friends to choose their favorite flavor. 3 friends chose berry and 2 friends chose lime. Do more friends like berry or vanilla now? So berry was at 5, so we have to add 5 plus 3 for the berry, which is now 8. And 2 friends chose lime. But that has nothing to do with the question. It just says, do more friends like berry or vanilla? So berry's at 8 now, and vanilla is at 5, 6, 7. Vanilla is at 7. So what is greater, the berry, which is 8, or the vanilla that is 7? Good. The berry has more by 1. Okay. If you need more time on this page, go ahead and hit the pause button. If not, you can move on with us. Okay, we're going to be counting the leaves. Tessa counted the leaves on her plant a month for 4 months. The number of leaves on the plant changed from May 1st to August 1st. And we're going to make a bar graph to show this data. So taking a look at May 1st, we can see there were 2 leaves, so we're going to color up our bar graph. Well, actually, we're going to color down. We're going to draw a line at the 2 and color down. On June 1st, there were 4, so I'm going to go to the 4 line, go to the June 1st, draw a line, and then I'm going to shade down. All right, July 1st, so I'm going to go up to the 6, I'm going to draw a line, and then I'm going to shade down. And August 1st, I go to my chart, and it says 8 leaves, so I'm going to draw a line at the 8 leaves, and I'm going to color down. And it says the number of leaves on the plant. Did they increase? Did they decrease from May to August 1st? So look at the graph. It went from 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. So would we say that increased or went up, or it decreased, it went down? Good. They increased. All right, if Teresa counts 9 leaves on September 1st, how will the number of leaves change from May 1st to September 1st? So on May 1st, it was 2. And on September 1st, it would be 9. So how did they change? Should they get increase or decrease? 2 to 9. Did it go up or down? Good. It increased, and by how many? How many more leaves were there? 7 more leaves. So it increased by 7 more leaves. Okay, if you need more time on this page, go ahead and hit the pause button. If you don't, go ahead and move on with that. All right, so we're going to use the tally chart to make a picture graph. And we're going to draw a smiley face for each child. Remember, each smiley face stands for one child. So if one child voted for tag, we're going to draw one smiley face in the tag row. If hopscotch, oh, I see there's 5 because there's a cross out there, so I'm going to draw in 5 smiley faces for hopscotch. All right, kickball. We have 3 children that voted for kickball. I feel like that's all you guys' favorite at recess is kickball. And then finally for jacks, which I'm not even sure you guys know what jacks are. They're like this little game, and you like throw a ball down, then you gotta like move these little like 3D X looking things. All right, so your picture graph should look like that. How many children chose hopscotch? So look up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, good. How many fewer children chose tag than kickball? So tag was 1 and kickball was 3. And we know when we see that word fewer, that's a clue word that we have to subtract those 2 numbers. So again, tag was 1 and kickball was 3. So we're going to subtract those numbers, and we have 3 minus 1 equals 2. 2 fewer children. Which 2 games were chosen by a total of 4 children? So if we added up these 2 games, it would equal 4. So we have to go up to our graph. Which of these, if we added 2 rows together, would total 4? So we know 1 and 5 would equal 6. That wouldn't be good. How about tag, which is 1, and kickball, which is 3? 1 plus 3. Oop, there we have it. Tag and kickball. Okay, if you need more time on this page, hit the pause button. If not, you can move on with us. We have a special guest who would like to help us. Say hi. Tell the kids hi. Are you waving? Don't draw on the wall, you silly. Can you wave to the kids? Hi. Can you say hi? Can you say mama?
Say yes, queen.
Say yes, queen. Say mom. Say mom. You better say mom. Mom. You're so weird. Okay, we gotta get you still want to be on the screen? Okay. Alright, so on page 692, last page, it says, Mr. Sanchez asked the children in his class to name their favorite type of book. Use the data to complete the bar graph. All right, so the first thing we need to do is we need to come up with a title. What would be